All right, so for this part of the module, you need to share your infographic and your research with your peers by talking about it a little bit, and then you'll be posting that video into the discussion board for the week. So the first thing you have to do is, of course, launch Screencast-O-Matic. You should have already watched the video that just goes over quickly how to use it. If you ever get stuck in Screencast-O-Matic, it does come up with some tutorials here that you can use to watch. As you're doing this, I want you to think about as well, you have choices. You can download the video, you can actually save it within Screencast-O-Matic as I did here, and you can also upload it to a YouTube channel. Some of these videos I have right here in Screencast-O-Matic, this is feedback I'm providing to a student, and I set it up as a locked video, and then I set a password which I sent to the student along with the link. So they had a link to their video feedback as well as the password so that only they could see what I had to say. But it provided me with a really robust way in order to give them good verbal feedback, because I've discovered most of my college students don't read the feedback that they're given. So hopefully they will watch and listen to at least the feedback. And I can point to their video and show examples and of their project and whatnot and circle things. So it's a great feedback tool. So I'm going to flip back over to Pictochart. So what you're going to do is launch your Screencast-O-Matic window, open up Pictochart, and then from there you're going to pick your infographic that you will be presenting. Now what's interesting is that once you have your infographic made and saved, if you click these dots up here, you can actually click and open it in presentation mode. And what presentation mode does is it kind of turns it into like a PowerPoint with different slides. So let's look at this. In presentation mode, so this would be the top part of the screen. And then there's my slide 1, my slide 2, and I can, my slide, oh, should be a third one. There we go. So what I can do is show each of the portions of my infographic as if they are slides. Now, and also notice here, you can actually go in and do transitions between each of your slides. What I really like about this is it allows you to create a poster, for example, for your classroom and turn that poster into a presentation. So say you wanted to make an infographic or of just say a poster of the class rules, you can make that and print it, but then you can also review it with the students this way. You can also make infographics of different tools, apps, etc. for your classroom, and then maybe you have that poster, but you might also be able to show that and share it with parents or students or administrators or whoever that way. Now in this infographic of mine, I actually turned this into one giant slide. So I did not use all those different slide pieces. So when I say put it in presentation mode, it's not really doing any good to use it as a presentation. So if you happen to do that, what you can simply do is come over here and scroll down through your presentation as you're recording and talking about it. So you can simply do that and show the different sections of your infographic and discuss them. Either way is fine. You have a time limit of 15 minutes for Screencast-O-Matic. If you choose to use a different tool, you can. If you want to play around with the video feature where you actually use your internal video camera for your laptop and have your face right here on the presentation, you can do that as well. It's up to you. The idea here is for you to explore tool that you may not have used before. So I hope that's helpful. I look forward to seeing your presentations. Once they're done, you can either save them directly to Screencast-O-Matic or YouTube or download the video, whatever you prefer, and then you'll post that in the discussion board and be responding to 3 of your peers' infographics. Thanks. Have a great night.